Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're working on a 2011 Jetta MK6 6th generation. We'll show you how to remove the master window switch. It should be the same for the Golf, Jetta, that generation, guys. That's the one we're talking about. We'll show you how to remove it, how to replace that thing in case yours is not working. And we think it's possible to do it without removing the door panel, so stay with us. We're definitely gonna give it a try now and see if we can do that. So if we get a prying tool, prying plastic tool like that, it's really convenient. We will need to try to pop that lid open. Careful not to break it, those tend to break sometimes, so that trim is very gentle, especially if it's been exposed to sunlight. It could be very fragile. Okay, let's see how it's going to come up now and if it's going to at all. It's still stuck a little bit there towards the back, and now we have more on this side. Okay, like that. Check it out, it's coming out. There is a few more clips probably holding. Okay, we need to figure out what's happening here now. And that's the clip, the only clip right there, guys. So that's the window switches right here. Now in order to remove them, you need to press like that up, okay, and pull the wire somehow. Okay, that's a little bit different design than anything else that we've seen. So if you just get a screwdriver and you push it all the way, it's going to come out. And those are the window switches, guys, right here. That's how simple it is. If you want to pry it out of that trim piece, just a couple clips, and that will be the whole procedure. You just put it together, snap it, and that's all. Thank you guys for watching. Help us grow, and many more helpful videos to come soon. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.